referred to as Hawaii's Grand Canyon. Waimea Canyon is a dramatic scar 10 miles long, 1 mile deep, and 3,500 feet wide, located in western Kauai. Waimea Canyon stretches from the town of Waimea up through Waimea State Park and Koke'e State Park up to the dramatic walls of the Na Pali Coast. My family and I spent a day making the drive up to Kalalau Lookout in Waimea Canyon and another morning exploring the dramatic views of the Na Pali Coast from the water. And we were absolutely blown away by what we found. After a long drive along the Waimea Canyon Drive, we finally reached our first view of the Na Pali Coast, and it is stunning.
Well, it would be stunning if it wasn't so cloudy.
After views like that, it was hard to imagine how the views of the Na Pali Coast could get any better. But then, we got to see it from the water. Waimea Canyon and the Na Pali Coast were among the most beautiful places that we visited during our time on Kauai. If you come to the island, Don't pass up the chance to experience it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time on Wandering Waggers Adventure Family Travel.